Oruguuto ruri kuza kukorwa n'orwa Kyanyanyambuko orukwija kumaraho sente ziri kwingana miliyoni 300 okuruga omu gavumenti okurabira omu road fund kandi nirwingana kilometers 4 n'ekicweka. Lieutenant Joy Warusimbi RDC wa Kasese kandi obira ry'omugyenyi mukuru mu kutongozaho oruguuto oru ashabira abatuura kurukoresa gye bakatambuza emishuburo yabo okwongera amaani omu by'entaasya byabo.
They are going to use this road to take their children to school. They are going to use this road to go out of poverty because, as you know, this is a productive place. And the batch of Matoke now, as to say it is 20,000, at the end of the construction it will be around 30 because the vehicle will be reaching the main base.
Honorable Sowedi Kitanywa ori omunyeshengero wa Busongora South nagira ngo abatuura bine kukoresa entunguuka egi okureetaho empinduka omu maka gaabo.
We want to see increased incomes. People should be able to sell their crops. People should be able to trade with the neighboring communities so that there is increased income within our households.
We have been trying some small businesses that will help us, and I think we are going to enlarge those businesses.
Modesto Bwambare oruchairman w'entebe ya kashatu ahabw'ibanda Kyanya Town Council nagira ngo bakine obuzibu bw'entindo eziri kuteganisa entunguuka omu kyanga eki.
We have river Chiteken. It only has 2 bridges so far, but it still requires about 15 bridges to allow people to access areas across it.
We are aware that we need a bridge up, but the good news I have is that the Ministry of Works already sent a team of engineers. We came with the team of engineers who came and assessed. So now the next on plan is for us to negotiate with government to see how we could also work on that bridge so that we connect even the community on the other side.
With or without any other support from anywhere, they must fundraise, the district must fundraise and raise money through this enhanced revenue enhancement strategy now. Once we get to the money, priority number 1 will be a bulldozer, because with the roads, everything follows automatically.
Gasha kwa Gilbert Muhanguzi.